Welcome to JH. If you're hunting for TopStep discounts in late 2025, your first stop should be their official X account, or Twitter, if you're still refusing to call it by its new, edgy name. Look out for codes like Let's Go 25 to grab 25% off trading combines. Because let's be honest, nothing screams high-stakes financier quite like scouring the web for a coupon code before you start your day. You might also stumble upon offers like Readaform 30 on various deal sites, which supposedly nets you 30% off your first month. Just keep in mind that these codes usually have a strict no repeats policy, much like your favorite brunch spot after that one incident. Always verify your eligibility on the official site to make sure you aren't chasing ghosts. For those of you who actually know what an API is, use the code TOPEP to slash 50% off your monthly API access subscriptions. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, follow TopStep on X for those blink-and-you-miss-it flash sales, or check out aggregators like Dime. Just remember that terms and conditions are like gym memberships. Everyone signs up, but nobody actually reads the fine print. You can also dig through TopStep's official help articles for specific product discounts if you're feeling particularly investigative. And that's the deal. Thanks for watching.